that. You. Free drinks. Hi guys, so we are going to Hawaii with Luwin and Christian. So delayed yung flight for 2 hours. Supposed to be, it's 8:45 and right now it's 11:45. So punta muna ako sa kanila. And kung nagtataka ko bakit di kami sabay-sabay, kasi nalita ako mag-book ng flight. Kaya, ayun, hindi kami magkakasabay. Sila magkasabay pero ako mag-isa lang. Which is okay lang. I mean, sanay naman ako mag-fly. Pero good thing, meron namang $15 like, coupon yung United, parang pampalubag loob. So yeah, punta ako sa gate nila 69. Welcome to LA. We love LA pala. So malapit na tayo. Bilang inisip ko ngayon yung pagbalik ko mamaya kasi super haba nung nilakad ko. Like this is Terminal 6 and ako kanina is Terminal 7. So we'll see. Tignan nyo guys. From 8:35 naging 11:45 AM. Grabing delay. Dapat nandun ako ng 11:45 actually, pero dahil na delay wala tayong magawa. So yeah, it is what it is. So chill lang ako right now. Nakayupo ako dito. Ayun na sila. Ayun na sila guys. Ang mga ate ko. So guys, I'm with them na. This is Luwin and Christian. Ano oras yung flight? It's 11:45. No, 10:50. So, they gave me a souvenir. Kating ko. Yung mga mahihiluhin sa flight. Kating ko nga ba? Laban. So, I have a question. So, are you excited for this trip?
No.
What's your expectations?
Hawaii. Pero it feels like mainit daw eh.
Parang di naman. Parang sakto lang, I think.
The weather is kind of humid. And it's more like...
Oh, it's your first time, no? Both of you?
It's our first time.
So,
Welcome.
congrats! Mahalo, Hawaii! Mahalo!
So, pala mag-welcome sa'yo doon, no?
I know, just kayo pa pala magsasabit ng ng flowers.
Mag-Uber ka na lang kaya.
Utang kaya naman.
What about you? Are you excited?
Well, I'm feeling ecstatic right now.
Praktisadong sagot?
I mean, medyo na-disappoint ako kasi I'm expecting na at 11:45 na doon ako pero
It's trying to be
it is what it
optimistic,
is. Pero,
you know?
buti na lang merong $15 coupon. Yung United Airlines kasi parang palubag-lubag. Oh yun guys, boarding na sila. See you later, bitches.
Reminiscing the good old days, remembering to forget all the bad ones. I remember when college seemed so important.
Hello, how are you?
Are you recording?
Yeah. For vlog. Thank you.
Sure, it's not a fancy degree. I'd like to do what I love, but what if I'm not good enough? Split personality, sometimes sour, sometimes sweet. An M. Night Shyamalan story called Everything's Peachy. Can we just
Welcome to
go
Hawaii.
straight to the plot twist, please?
Sawadee ka.
Good morning guys! So, hindi na ako nakapag-update kagabi. Kasi, super pagod, grabe. So, this is our second day here. So, ang plan namin today is, wait lang. Time check, it's 7:35 a.m. So, we actually went to the bar last night and super nalasing kami kasi super pagod din sa biyahe and all of that.
Update natin yung mga baka nating
So, later, i-update ko kayo guys. Yeah, we're gonna go, island hopping. So, sama ko kayo and we're just gonna walk din. Super ganda dito guys. And ayun sila.
Do you guys wanna go somewhere else? Get some breakfast?
And then,
Hello?
walang umano.
Ate, participation.
Kaya nga, ano ba yan?
10%. Participate?
How long can you hold onto your breath for? It's been too long now. I think that I want a second guess you, a second guess me, a second guess them. Don't second guess me. Live in the moment, cause we are so free. And in this moment, life is like a dream. Live in the moment, cause we are so free. And in this moment, life is like a dream.
Good morning guys. So this is our day 2 here in Hawaii and sorry kung di ko na kayo na-update kagabi because I'm so tired. We are so tired but we tried to go out last night and yeah, we did it but unfortunately super nalasing kami. And kung nagtataka kayo ba't ito na naman yung suot ko. Kasi wala akong dalang damit and sabi ko I'm planning to buy some clothes here in Hawaii para hindi rin ganun mabigat sa bag. So, right now, ayun pala sila. And right now, we're going to the beach kasi we want to swim or to just tambay lang sa beach ngayon. And time check, it's like around 8 a.m. pa lang in the morning. And actually, maaga kami nakauwi kagabi. It's like around 12:30, which is good kasi at least nakapagpahinga kami, di ba? At may nagmaoy talaga kagabi. Sino nagmaoy? Ikaw. Luwin. At ako. Ako, konti lang kasi feeling ko kasi dahil pagod ako. That's why understandable siya. May gusto pong mag-gate, gate crashing. Gate crashing. Kasi, I mean, meron namang swimming pool dun sa hotel namin, pero hindi siya masyadong maganda. Pero look at guys. Ayun yung swimming pool nila here sa, I think, Sheraton to. So, hi guys. So, we decided to tambay here. Look at that view. The view sounds like na 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 na. So, for now, we're just gonna swim sa beach. And, yeah, just unwind, you know? So, update ko kayo later. Hi guys, so that's lang na maligo and I'm just walking now. Ganda ng view guys. Look at that. Hi guys, so tapos na kami sa beach. And right now we're just like walking lang around the area, exploring some shops here. Ayun sila. And we ordered this asay something. May ice cream siya, pineapple and strawberry and honey. Di ba tayo gutom?
I need an intervention, divine intervention, you know. Only in my crucial moments do they pay attention carefully.
Hi guys, we just finished eating sa anong pangalan ng restaurant?
Parang di ka sure sa English mo nung LNL.
Yeah, we just finished eating sa
Lewin and
LNL.
Lila.
Lewin and Lila. Yeah, it's like a chicken barbecue thing. Yeah, I think I have a video earlier. So right now we are going back to the hotel kasi we just want to rest for a while. And later, like 5:15,
You better show them the view.
we have what is it called? The dance
Luau
something.
Precious.
So isama ko rin kayo doon. And guys, look at the view.
Just appreciate the view right now.
The view sounds like ta-na-na, ta-na-na, praise the Lord. So Luwin, how's your experience so far?
So since first time ko naman dito sa Hawaii, so far so good. Masaya naman siya actually. And yung tagilid lang sa bar kasi I was like,
It's better sa West Hollywood. huh?
not just West Hollywood. Mas maganda talaga sa California. Pero yung weather-wise, I think weather, nature, food, and everything.
And the beach.
Yeah, especially beach.
Yeah.
I really like it. Ikaw,
Well, yeah, so far so good. And Lilo is sleeping right now on the back.
sleeping like a prince.
Hi guys, so we are now on the way to Luau. We're kind of excited because this is actually my first time to experience that. Because before, the first time I went here is hindi kami nagganon. So yeah, I'm excited kasi sa YouTube videos or sa TikTok ko lang siya nakikita. So this is a different experience sa akin and sa mga friends ko. So we were just gonna watch a sunset first before we go to the show. Ganda guys. Hi guys, so nakapasok na kami. Ganda dito. Wala, ito yung nakikita ko lang sa sa movie. Hindi, I think dito rin nag-shoot yung Lilo and Stitch. Oo, kung mapapanood nyo. Oh my god, ang ganda dito guys.
Hello 2, Hello 3, okay, Kaluapua. Folks, there you have it, our Hawaiian steamed pig, right out of the underground.
So yun guys yung pig na niluto
With
doon.
succulent flavors.
And yun daw yung isa sa mga kakainin namin later. Doon siya niluto sa may
Time to take a photo of a few luau venues on the island of Oahu that continues to prepare our main course in this traditional ancient Hawaiian way. Ladies and gentlemen, have a round of applause for our two hard-working lads.
So dito yung buffet area nila. And yung ticket is like $100 and meron na siyang one free drink and a buffet. And yung show. So, yeah. Sayang guys kasi perfect sana yung tatlo kanina na sumayaw. Dapat nag-ano kami. Nag-volunteer na kami na ng tatlo. Pero it's okay. We had fun! Basta may free drinks. So ngayon guys, kuha na kami ng food. It's a buffet. I'm excited. Because I'm hungry. Hi! We're gonna eat now! Boses Mickey Mouse ang food. Pakita ko sa inyo yung food. So meron silang coleslaw. Coleslaw. So there is lettuce or salad. And also macaroni. So fruits. And they have rice. You know, as a Filipino, we love rice. And also, what's this? Oh, island fish. Maybe just one. Chicken. It's like chicken teriyaki. Can I have both? Yeah, just put it there. Yeah. Oh my god. Thank you. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Ang dami. Oh my god.
Naubos na rin kayo.
Hindi, ano to, hanggang bukas na. Yung gutom.
Now in Tahiti, we take it nice and slow. We feel the culture. Now when our body feels that you're ready for it, all you need to do is keep those hips and top your feet.
Good morning guys! So this is our day 3 here in Hawaii. Hindi ko na ina-update kasi wala. Usual party lang naman siya. And right now we are going to parasailing daw. Hindi pa ako kumakain. Pero kumain sila ng spam masugi. Pero isa lang. So I think hindi enough yun for them. So maybe we're just gonna eat later. So i-update ko na lang kayo guys. So hi guys, so right now we're gonna do a parasailing. So let's see. Nakalimutan ko yung DJI Osmo. Sobrang pagmamadali pero it's okay. Hi guys, so this is our day 3 or last full day here in Hawaii. Right? Day 3. Last
yeah.
full day.
This will be our last full day here in Hawaii.
Nakakalungkot pero,
It's
you
actually
know,
mixed emotions.
yeah. I think it's bitten. I think we should,
Yeah, I mean, we're trying to
extend that.
extend, but the thing here is that we're scheduled to work.
Yeah.
And we do have responsibilities also.
And I think we can go back here naman anytime, di ba?
Anytime.
So, ayun. So, plan namin mag-parasailing. And, yeah, we're going to Lanakay. And, update ko na lang kayo, guys. Sa mga susunod na video. Na clips. Okay, see you guys. So, hi guys. Right now, we are here at Lanakay Beach. Beach talaga, beach. Lanakay Beach. We just finished the parasailing. It was fun. It's our first time and yeah. I think we're just gonna tambay lang here. We wanna swim but we forgot to bring a towel. We're now here at Lanakay Beach. So right now we're gonna go hiking. Let's go. Hello guys, so this is our last day here in Hawaii and we're on the way right now to the airport. Guys, nakakasad. So yun si Christian. Excited na siya umuwi. And also slowing. We're going to Walmart to buy some pasalubong. So time check, it's already 8:40. And yung flight naman is 11:15 and I think malapit naman na yung airport dito. So, yeah. So, yung binili ko kahapon sa may Target. I think mas mura sa Target kaysa sa... Oh, I mean, mas mura here sa Walmart. Oh yeah, actually mura siya. Ito masarap, especially yung matcha nila. If you guys like matcha. So para sa additional $8, so i-check in na lang nila yung boxes. Hi guys, so ito ko na itong tatapusin ang video na to. Sana nag-enjoy kayo sa video or sa vlog namin. So I'll see you guys soon. Bye!